literally got 3 boxes in the mail today. I did my food box, I did my Allure Beauty box, and now we're getting into the Sips by tea box. Now this just arrived. I haven't tried any of the teas, but I thought I would do kind of like an unboxing, even though I already unboxed it, and kind of just let you know what they are, and then I will come back on here in about a week or a couple days, in whatever amount of time it takes me to try all of them and give you an update on what I think. So I did my first Sips by tea box unboxing, I guess, or review last month, and I will link that down below. So this one is the one for May, and I really was impressed last month. I'm a big coffee drinker, but I don't really get into teas. I like regular black tea and like chamomile tea, and that's pretty much like my limit. Sips by, it's a monthly subscription where you get 4 different teas to try every month. You get 4 of each, I think, so you get quite a few options to choose from. Like if you don't like one, you have 3 other ones, and you can share it with people, and I don't know, I think it's something that's pretty cool. I think if you're trying to get into tea, it's definitely something to try out. I don't know where to start when I'm at the store and I see all these teas, and I don't want to buy a full box and then not like it. I really think this is a great way to try. Comes in this cute little box, and we have all our teas in here. That gives you this little paper that says made for Samantha, although it'll say your name when you get it. And we have our 4 teas for the month. So there's a couple in here I'm very excited about. So the first one is called Buddha's Blend by Nepal Tea. This one has white tea, coriander, cardamom, orange peel, cinnamon bark, Sichuan pepper, ginger, cloves, rose petals, Bachelor's button petals. Don't know what that is. So this is a white tea. It's low in caffeine. It says it has a subtle kick, yet is true to tea. Allows a true tea to shine. Apparently I can't read. I will definitely try that. Next, Paris tea by Harney and Sons. Where is that? Okay, so that's nice. I thought this had lavender in it or something, but it doesn't. It's a black tea with currant, caramel, and citrus. It's a high caffeine tea, of which most black teas are. It says have it on its own with a spot of milk. I might use some almond milk. It's a fruity black tea with vanilla and caramel flavors and a hint of lemony bergamot. The next one is like the one I'm most excited about. This one says it's called Vanilla Nut by Ticino. That's probably what it is. It says that it is a caffeine-free tea with barley, chicory, dates, almonds, organic figs, vanilla extract, and a natural nut flavor. So if you're allergic to nuts, I don't think that one's for you. But it says something about, yeah, it's a great blend for coffee and tea drinkers alike. So I feel like this will be closer to coffee, which is like my thing. And vanilla really sounds good to me. I can't smell any of them through the packaging. I always try. And then finally we have organic rooibos. I don't know how to pronounce things. It's a red tea. That's interesting. It's from South Africa. It's caffeine-free, antioxidant-rich. Drink hot or cold, or with honey, lemon, or milk. And it says you could add it to your bath water to soothe your skin. That's cool. So that's in here. Oh wait, I can smell this one. It smells spicy. Okay, so my most exciting one is the vanilla nut tea. I really want to try that one. So I will pop back on here in a couple of days or a week or so and let you know what I thought. Yes, I have wet hair and no makeup on. I just got out of the shower, but I wanted to update you guys on this Sips by box for May. I've now tried all of the teas and I wanted to kind of give you guys a rundown. First things first, the first one I tried is the vanilla nut one by Ticino. I didn't like it. Now, I was surprised because this is the one that was like, it said something about for coffee and tea lovers, and I'm a huge coffee addict. Like, I love coffee. And when I made this one, it smelled so good. Like, if I could put this smell in like a room spray or a candle, it would be great. It literally smells like vanilla coffee. Like, it's really strong. It's really great smell, but as soon as I tasted it, I was like, nope, not for me. I feel like if this isn't for someone who loves coffee and is getting into tea, but someone who loves tea and is getting into coffee, the smell is very strong and the aroma is amazing, but it tasted like watered down coffee to me. Like if you've ever had very, very, very weak coffee, that's what it tasted like. So I didn't like it, but the smell was like, I would literally make this just to sniff it. Buddha's Blend Nepal Tea. It's a white tea and spices. This one I really, really liked. Also, it looks super cute. It comes in like this little like fancy sachet. It's like silky and cute, and you can see all the little bits in it, and I love that. So it feels very luxurious, and it also smells really relaxing. It says a low caffeine though, so I feel like I can't have it before bed because I have really bad insomnia, so low caffeine is not enough. But to be like an evening tea, like when you come home from work or something, this would be nice. One I did not like, It's not that I didn't like it, it's just not something that I enjoyed. Like, if someone gave it to me at their house, I would finish it to be polite, but I wouldn't enjoy it, but I also wouldn't be like, ew, I want to vomit. And that is this one, the Paris Sips by Harney and Sons. This is a black tea. It has high caffeine, and it also has that silken sachet, so it's like a nice one, and if you like this kind of tea, you'll like it. It's like fruity though, that's why I didn't like it. You know how English breakfast tea has that like fruitiness? I usually like that, but this one's like more intense, and I didn't like it. But the one I'm drinking right now is my favorite of the bunch. I love this. And this one I wasn't expecting to like this much, but I really, really do. It's the I don't know why I'm saying Rubios. It's Rooibos tea. I'm totally saying that wrong. It's caffeine free. I really seem to like the caffeine free ones. I don't know why. But it's a red tea. Since I don't know much about tea, I see red tea and I'm like, I don't know. It is kind of red in color, orangey. But I'm drinking that right now and I really like it. It's definitely my favorite, like I said. It tastes the most classic to me. I'm gonna try to like get down and dirty with these descriptions. I don't know. I can't put my finger on it. I'm sorry. I don't. Why don't I read you what the description says? It just says it's from South Africa, and you can drink it hot or cold with lemon, honey, or milk. I just drink all these plain because who has time to add anything? I feel like this was pretty equivalent with last month. There's one or two that I really enjoyed, and the other ones I was like excited to try them, but they weren't really my favorite. I'm really excited about Sips By. I think it's a really cool way to try different teas, especially if you're new to it. And yeah, so I have a link down below for you guys to sign up and a discount code so that you can get a nice little discount when you first try it out. And I do, of course, have to let you guys know they did supply this to me for free, but this video is not sponsored. I did not make a commission or anything like that. This is just something for me to try out, so I can tell you guys that, and I thought I wouldn't have accepted them to send it to me if I wasn't genuinely interested in this. Just had to offer that little disclaimer. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more from me, and to see my next unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.